Hello guys, New Apple Times here, and today it's a pretty exciting day because I have an unboxing for you. And this unboxing will be of an iPhone 8 Plus. So yeah, that's pretty cool. Finally got one, a new iPhone. It's the 256GB model. Let me focus over there. There you go. And yeah, I'm pretty excited actually. I have been for quite a while wanting a new iPhone. So yeah, let's unbox it. So we have a simple lid here that we can pull. The plastic goes off and we are left with the box. Pull right up. I'm so excited, oh my god. And boom. So we get this designed by Apple in California. And removing it. Not going to look at the phone yet. Let's look at this. So here's the focus over there. Here is the quick instructions in Italian, Spanish, and pretty sure it's Portuguese. The SIM ejection tool and all these warranty information, and of course the Apple stickers. So let's put all this right back into the box. And oh my god, here it is. Ooh. I'm so excited, sorry for that. Wow, this looks stunning. And I'm pretty worried because I haven't got a case yet. I'm pretty worried for this. I do have a tempered glass though, so I will apply that. And well, before peeling the plastic off, let's see, well, the charging brick, the European version, and of course the earpods with lightning and the lightning to 3.5mm jack adapter, and of course you have your lightning cable to charge it. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So now it's the important moment, peeling the plastic off. Oh my god, it looks so cool. Wow, so perfect, no fingerprints yet. And the screen, I don't know many more sensations better than this one. So yeah, wow, I mean, this looks great. Wow, so pretty cool. Love the 7000 series aluminum on the edge, and the glass back looks great. I have a wireless charger here that I will unbox for you in another video. So yeah, I don't know what I'm waiting for. Of course the home button that isn't physical, so let's power it on. I'm so excited. Wow. Oh, it's that bug in iOS. Wow. Looks great. So we are here. Hola. So now I need to configure it. So some nice things to notice about the setup process is, well, in iOS 11 you have this option where you, if you have an iPhone with or an iPad with iOS 11 or earlier, you get it close to your iPhone and boom, you just scan a code similar to the one where you that you use on your Apple Watch to set it up, and they already start to do everything. So automatically the code on the new phone is the same as this one. Apple Pay information, Wi-Fi, iCloud, and everything. It's just these iPhones. So right now it's updating the backup to transfer it to this phone. So that's nice. And also a new thing about the iPhone 8 is a True Tone display that was available earlier on the iPad Pro display. So you can see the difference because here is a, I don't know if you can notice it much, but I can activate it and deactivate it, and it's actually pretty neat. I use it in my iPad and I think it's pretty comfortable. And yep, this is pretty much this video. Sorry it was this short, but I promise I will do some more videos of this phone and with this phone. So yes, thank you very much for watching and see you soon. Bye.